Have you guys been using the Filmora editing app and wondering on how to add the GIF on it? Then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add GIF in the Filmora app. So let's dive right in. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. And after opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video just like this. Now to add the GIF, tap on to the sticker option just right here. Just like this. Then here we can find the GIF option just right here, which is named by Jiffy. Now tap on it. And now here you can find the GIFs just right here. And you can simply scroll down and find the one GIF that you want to add, or you can simply tap onto the search bar and type the GIF that you want to add and add it. And simply add the GIF just like this. And now you can see the GIF has been added, and after adding it, simply tap onto the check mark. And that's it. This is how you can add the GIF in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.